Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you a video that I recorded years ago. Actually, it was the first video I did for YouTube, and I will share one of my favorite techniques with all of you. We are going to crochet with our fingers. These are one of the designs that I made, and this is the reason why many people start to watch my videos, because we start creating garments crocheting with our fingers. Many time ago I made this vest that it's crossed, and then this one that it's opened in front with our fingers too. But well, today I will show you how we can make this brown design. It's not open, it's completely crossed. We only have a crossing in the neck. So let's start. I hope you like it. Well, this vest is a medium size. Okay, we are going to use 200 grams of this material that it's between light and medium weight yarn. We will use 200 grams. It has a little sparkles on it. I love it. And also 200 grams of this material that is a medium weight yarn in shades of brown. Remember that we will use our fingers, but if you can't, you can use the hook of number 12 millimeters. So we will use one thread of each material, so at the end we will have two threads. Okay, so please be careful and pay attention that you always take these two threads. So we will start. I will show you this technique. It's the one that I love, and this technique, it's the reason why people know myself and started to watch my videos. So we will use our fingers as if we're the hook, right? So we will start having a loop. We will start making a long strip of chains. Please enjoy and relax. These chains must be a little bit loose, so when we came back, we can have a space to put our fingers, okay? So we are going to make this vest, as I told you, from medium size. So we will start making this vest. By the neck, we are going to make 32 chains like this. Okay, remember that we are making this with two threads. Well, if you would like to make this vest for a larger size, instead of making 32 chains, increase 2 chains more, okay? Make, instead of 32, make 34. If you want to make this vest for even a larger size, will increase 2 chains more. And like this is how you are going to increase your size. Or the opposite, if you want to make this vest for a small size, you can make, instead of 32, you can make 30 chains, or 28 if you want this vest for a girl, okay, like you want. And well, please count that you have until here 32 chains, okay? At the end we are going to make one chain more, and we won't close, we will just leave it like this. Remember that the neck will be open. So here we are going to make one chain more, right? We will start right in the second chain, okay? We will leave this chain to go up and for the edge, and we are going to insert our finger in the second chain. As you could see, our fingers will let you where we are supposed to insert our finger. We will insert the finger right here between these threads. Okay, again, so here is the next stitch, and we will take both parts of the chain. Like this is how we are going to continue. As you could see, here we are making single crochet, and we are using our fingers as it were the hook. I suggest and I highly recommend that you crochet with your fingers. It's an amazing therapy, and you won't believe the result that you will have. I want to continue the whole row with you so you can see exactly how it is and we can review. Okay, as I told you, please relax. It was important that we made the first and the base chains loose so we can come back and insert our finger correctly right there in these spaces. As you could see, my thumb of the other hand leaves me to see where should I have to put my finger next. Okay, I love this technique. This technique opened the doors and gave me a lot of opportunities. A lot of people started to know about my job, about me. It was a time too when I started to do magazines, and it was an amazing chapter of my life, and everything because of this technique. So to me it's one of my favorites, and I have good memories with it, and I wanted to share with all of you. I will continue making more videos that we crochet with our fingers, and I promise. But well, now that we finished the row, we will turn around, and right away in the first space we are going to insert our finger and take the first stitch. We are going to take both parts of the chain like this, and we are going to make single crochet. And well, like this we are going to continue making more rows until we have 12 rows like this one. Okay, but please always count that you have the same number of stitches. So here I did get ahead and I have my 12 rows, and we are going to count the rows like this. Okay, this holds 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 rows. Here I will finish the last one. Okay, so here I'm finishing the 12th row, and remember that this is the neck and we are going to leave it open, but we are going to close it here in the last row to continue with the body. The only thing that will be open will be the neck. So we are going to check here that we are facing this part to the wrong side, and now we are going to slip one to close, and like this is how we are going to close the neck, you see. Then okay, and we are going to make one chain, okay, to start to go up. Then in each stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet together. We are going to make this to increase. Remember that the rest that we are going to make will be for the body. So we are going to make 2 single crochet together in each stitch. Like this we are going to continue all around making 2 single crochet in each stitch. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. So see you when we finish to make this row. Well, here I'm finishing the row. So now that we have the double of stitches that we had, we are going to continue making more rows with this number of stitches. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet over single crochet. Like this, with this number of stitches without increasing, we are going to make 11 rows. Okay, like this we are going to continue, and for example here I did get ahead, so here I finished the 11th rows. Okay, making 1 stitch in each space, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So please to count the spaces, and remember that here is the neck, so we are going to fold it like this. I decide that I will fold the neck like this with one side opened, but you can decide how you want it. Maybe you want this side opened in front, or like me in one side. Remember, if you want your neck longer, instead of 12 rows that we made, you can make 14 or 15 or the number you want. You will decide. But well, in this case we have 12 rows for the neck and 11 rows for the body. Here we are going to divide to make the armholes. So we are going to calculate. So I will count like this. I will use some markers. If you don't have markers, well, you can use a thread in a different color to point it out. So we will count in pairs: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pairs. Remember, 8 in one side and 8 in the other side, and right there we are going to put a marker. Then we are going to make the same in the other side. Please go in order, take your time, and we are going to count the same: 8 in one side and 8 in the other side. And right here is where we are going to put the other marker, and then we are going to just crochet the part of the body. But here I will tell you a secret. Just let me finish. Okay, so then we are going to leave this space for the sleeves and this for the body, but we want to have an A shape, not a tube. So we are going to increase some stitches to open more and to give more volume to our vest. I tried to leave the thread where I was supposed to start. If not, well, you can cut and put the thread and start right here. So here I made a knot, so just to leave and hold this loop, and then I can continue. Remember that the size of this vest is between small and medium, okay? But if you want to make this vest in a larger size, or if you feel that you have like more chest or the back wider, so you can make some chains here between the armholes to open a little bit more and to open more the size too. But well, in this case, I won't increase any chains. I will just jump and continue right away. We are going to make one single crochet here, one second single crochet in the other stitch, and then in the third space we are going to make 2 single crochet together. So this means that we are going to make 2 singles, and then in the third space 2 single crochet together. You see? So 2 singles and then 1 double. And like this, the whole row, we are only going to increase in only this row, and then we are going to continue making single crochet over single crochet until you get the length of the vest that you want. Well, so here I finish. I continue making more rows, and this is the long that I like. At the end, we are going to make a single crochet row all around. In this case, I will use the material that has a little sparkles on it. I will use 2 threads, and I will make a single crochet row all around the neck, the sleeves, and the bottom too. And like this, we finish. I will show you how I did decorate. And if you want, you can crochet a flower, you can put a bottom or a brush like you want. With this, we will finish. I hope that you find this technique so easy. I love to make it for all of you, and I hope that you like it too. So as you could see, here I did get a head. We won't iron or so, we are just going to leave it like this. I put a bottom. But well, if you like this video, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, it's completely free, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.